Council, hi, EZRA TV, EZRA Radio. Reverend Kofi Asantini. Council, good morning.
Morning, Rev.
Sini anabia boko there.
Oh, boko pa,
I see you fought a good fight, but man for say as a expectation because one man for sound system, you know, ya academy.
There be a man here.
Sao.
Also, mama need Japan. I can't hear when you're
I see.
It wasn't just a legal fight.
Okay.
There are many sides to it. I'm sure in private, Becca.
You don't mean it.
Yeah, dear,
You don't mean what you are saying.
I mean what I'm saying.
I see. Beyond the legal task,
yes.
A lot. Actually.
Yes.
Wow. This is serious revelation. But to the understanding of a lawyer, when a client as a petitioner, plaintiff, a coye, the kind of wusiki say yen declare Endo Akosua Serwaa as the only legitimate surviving wife of Daddy Lumba. That was your relief, meboa.
That is so.
And okoye court so and grant sama also your wife, but still Odo Broni eka, isn't it? What is the issue now and molest line of action?
You see, as a lawyer, I know. Civil marriage be monogamous in nature.
Yeah.
And any other contractual relationship, being wife, whatever you call it, employer, the Omokan Akamun. Aprewa wadi yes baby your marriage is the akan mu your friend about but it is impossible. It is not possible with any of those marriages because ordinance marriage is monogamous. It can't be a monogamous. Back where you know 1.5 quarter. And that was my understanding of the law, and that is why I went to court based on the facts that were presented before me. But court and it said there was no civil marriage.
Okay.
And, you know, the first or recognizing the first customary marriage, you know what it was, Ghana, no? Na civil marriage in there on him because we couldn't prove it. That was the decision of the judge.
Mebo want me improve. Then I'm with the court, yeah, court into court nanyantu.
My mentor Bonam. Apart from documentary proof, the evidence also is there. I mean, let's start from the evidence. From the evidence, there was overwhelming evidence. He said, Lumba was married to Akosua Serwaa in Germany. And this is a quote from Odo Broni's witness. Odo Broni's pleadings and in the witness. Say Lumba Kachilom say Oware Germany, Nemo Mawadiana, Aya Basa Basa. It has broken down beyond reconciliation. That is the evidence. If that is so, how can a court say there was no marriage?
Say there was a marriage in Germany, but obet me or Ghana ni obet me asan ware wo ho a ombet me aye fie de no Ghana ha.
That is impossible. A fie de ni null and void once he's married in Germany.
Okay.
So the next step was to bring documents supporting that marriage.
When you say be na Germany de no so ye fie de.
Yeah, Germany, any fear, sorry, there's only one marriage in Germany.
Okay.
Unlike Ghana and I was several customary type of marriages. Germany, the end, one. What do you say? Hello?
It's your power cancel.
And it can only be one. You need any second marriage in Germany. And what the court did was to say, sir, you tender evidence to cry. It is the opinion of the court to say, a quite fast tender and tender ye.
Okay.
And one of the first things the court said, they said there should have been certification.
Okay, from Ghana's marriage registry.
No, from Ghana's embassy in Germany.
Oh, okay.
And to see uncertified, the answer, or the weight to so meanwhile, there was argument at the point of admission. Yet tender no, I'm a court subject to putting weight after examining the document.
Okay.
And the only kind of certification, which legally sound justified.
Okay.
But the same Evidence Act makes provision for why documents will not be certified but yet be admitted. And in the same section 1613, how they want to, and that is where our strength is. So that because court, say, and I'm talking about the decision of the Supreme Court, or say, obi tender document for a brochure, Nasi and certifier. There are some conditions under which you bet my to maybe say partner enough time to do that after the objection has been made. The 8 days they do the case,
Oh, okay.
You get the point. And there were other pieces of evidence to show. When him says certificate now, so only any certificate, there was a translation of that certificate by the Ghana Institute of Languages. And in that document, it is stated certificate of marriage. Translating the German language to English language, it is certificate of marriage. And how can a judge look at that and say that it is an extract, it's not a certificate?
I see.
And seriously speaking, there should be other reasons not known by law that the court ended up the way she ended up. It cannot be law.
Then that means miscarriage of justice, Anna.
Hey,
but that is serious.
Okay, that's why probably our client was right when she said we should appeal against the decision.
And for now, more the express instruction of clients say more appeal.
Oh yes, that I can assure you. I may not give you the details, but that is a wish.
But man for Saturday we have more dragging it to do.
No crepa. The way a war universal appealer. Say to me, courtroom pass on your home cosa.
Okay.
The interest is not only Akosua Serwaa. It is about anybody who get married in Germany or any other country that doesn't speak English. You see, and it's not just Akosua Serwaa. It doesn't end with Akosua Serwaa.
What video be a from Enra and then I'm say and only German Lumba near Akosua Serwaa.
I know na mamini nyae who from the nearmum or the Sunday.
And the other answers are in here.
Oh, yes, who pressure now a case now. You can't blame me. 2004 video. So she has to search all over. I don't know who you know Jimmy can was sending it.
But say even video we cry on what the court the court will not necessarily just place weight on it because a bit remember say bia on a lumba cry and your contract we almost sign.
Oh, there be share video movie
yeah.
Certificate near the buy and family book no.
Okay.
It may not be the full proof, but it's evidence to support.
Evidence to support.
Indeed, there was something in Germany. And I voice woman.
Oh, okay.
There's a voice there to a booty what the German marriage register. We can translate that word for people to know. And remember, this was a record case. He did the shortest possible time.
Of course. Well, client are much disappointed.
Of course, her expectations were high because it looks like class 1 + 1. They say a 5. Usuko school was a 1 + 1 a 2. To suggest say yako, baby yako manufacture marriage certificate. Akulakro or Ghana and say Lumba Akosua Serwaa Lawyer.
Abusuapanin says marriage certificate document we are in our town.
It is easy for him to say that. A shameless human being. Yakosi, who is the cause of that? So bit me una asantimamu, Nana Bushia, ne sister count, no fan count, ne ma main count, no be semi Abusabo free, but no about 5 because what be that? If you say what is open Zamada? So when you say Abusapania before Fuso, they only say. It's so absurd. And he should be the last person to speak.
So
abusu omu na omo soft to meja na manako na we die se abusu bia no we besim me ye ko na abusu apanyin o ekwana ni bi obeyesa abusu bia no obeyesa.
Did you in any way request the court say na onfa injunction ento a year so?
Oh yes, I did in the beginning.
But court na grante.
I want grante.
Until now,
I'm not explaining why we had to do a 2 weeks trial.
Yeah.
To ensure say the court to make a decision before the funeral. That is the consoling order she made when she refused the injunction. To
grant the injunction. For now, that is on the 14th, you know. Yeah, Baba ye, Lumbe ye.
14th March,
and the December 13th, so another Lumbe ye.
I know the year, but my person on your year. I was one year, and my wolf in a year. I was a person on your year. So, person, yeah, obey my year again without the family.
On our autopsy for Lumba body.
We are not aware. We are in a bush and be anymore. Like the court said, a funeral year, a bush and the year. We are a bush and be anymore. No, so my autopsy. This is my memo. So they want to do a second one to ensure. Say he died naturally because they suspect that there was foul play.
Obi asem ne se ntiade we nyina sabusuan mu gya mane kana mu kosie lumba sondwe mu na emami enu koyi kuna na aye den lawyer
aye bibi pa ajese o ware na se okunu kopa empena no ne wa waye yire notwithstanding the type of marriage and the bibi pa ye twasa ye make sure say twa na esanatene ye ntwa nchiachia and the bibi pa se onua na ewuye and I would say, yes, we are 2 days or your fit. We are through the Amanabajina gate to Mammy, you know. Naturally, yes, we are. So, I know that. And it's by bits of information and your clear or more narration of the whole hospital. A visual woofy. What is this about it? They want to find out.
Wow. For Sabia Fen was joined in EZRA TV, EZRA Radio. So, Council, Mitidia Kenya, you are prepared for an appeal.
I believe so, for academic purposes. A year. In fact, let me say this: a year, a issue.
Yeah.
Because my court because of a year.
Sure.
The injunction was just incidental. Mine was in respect of the marriage. And you know. That is where my concentration is. The rest is not my business.
And your banner say even say you in a crack or so crash, still you would want to pursue with with instruction from your client and over to us or we a year you cry still be person over court for determination.
Of course. The truth should in fact the interest in this room. Mom tell about my warrior more situation on the
Oh, I see. That video where they clear power, the other ring and say,
oh, very clever.
Oh, I see.
At least the word you know, sir, lawyer Gusin Timiko manufacture a certificate and for my court. I thought it was scandalous for the judge to say that.
Oh, yeah, no, Afinano. That's interesting. Council, I mean, I was say, Bijay said, Bibini ever sign, but I will follow you up.
But no 1 hour, no.
Yes, anyhow. And a client for now, this December 13th, they are not ready for a year, no.
I don't know that. My incident in CBA, you know, also, or so bad, it didn't come up. Would give me the best of advice.
Okay. Now, maybe I teacher can tank and why a friend about court. Okay, and was and yes, in we could as I say, Massami.
Oh, there be. I know how the court concludes on the issue.
Okay.
One of the account with him.
Because based on in Chile Moon and Madam so a lawyer, a judge, and I can't say any money me and bit my kuna yeno at the discretion of the
or the share no. What does it? Because look,
what's what the share no?
How the share no? Because no, I can say a year Abusuapanin ye. I know the type of marriages no can program what year and plan what year, and all those things are. Who read the rat book in a womb?
Yeah.
But at the point he says, I don't chess on Mutrano. There should be a formal exchange of drinks.
Sure.
So what in society are geomat atom. A bassa a fan is also me a wonderful, but also we send me and yes, anti-Asian. So I'm saying it.
Yeah.
Into what the share no. Because you see, it is true, but ordinance woman, all those things doesn't work.
Oh, sure. But ordinance you should one recognize it.
I said no about pioneer honor.
Council, my name come actually.